Fixing an invalid product number error in QuickBooks can be crucial for ensuring that your software runs smoothly. Here's how to address this issue. Verify your product number. Ensure you are entering the correct product number. This number can typically be found in your QuickBooks packaging, on the installation CD, or in the confirmation email you received when you purchased QuickBooks. Check for typos. Double-check for any typing errors in the product number. Ensure you are entering all characters, including letters and numbers, correctly. Update QuickBooks. Make sure your QuickBooks software is updated to the latest version. Go to Help in the menu bar, select Update QuickBooks, and follow the prompts. Use QuickBooks Tool Hub. Download and install the QuickBooks Tool Hub, a useful utility that helps fix various QuickBooks issues. Open the tool and select Installation Issues, then click on QuickBooks Install Diagnostic Tool. Reinstall QuickBooks. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling QuickBooks. Make sure to back up your company files before doing this. Contact QuickBooks Support. If none of the above solutions work, reach out to QuickBooks Customer Support for further assistance.